We will talk about the selection of the retail store property today. Generally, we make mistakes while selecting the property. We go for cheaper rental property. Is it the right strategy? In my view, it could be dangerous as property rental is cheap because of adjacencies around it, location where customers do not come or shop, also could be load shedding issue, could be located on side roads where visibility is an issue. You need to evaluate with 100% focus and decide what is rightly suited for your store. Also, check whether the property is commercial or residential, check the ownership papers, check the load it carries to run the store. If it is less, then how much time will it take to get the load from electricity department? Check the parking area. Today customers love to have ample parking around the shop. What is the catchment strength? What kind of customers are available around it? How many competition stores are around your store? The question is not the rental, rather checking all points before finalization of property. If it is on merit, then you can pay higher rental also because you will get more customers, which is good for your future profits. All the best. We are a business consulting company. If you need help and assistance, you can connect to us on the numbers shared.